Welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I have brought in updates regarding faculty recruitment, that is in GD Goenka University. It is in Delhi NCR. So GD Goenka University invites application from highly qualified and distinguished research-oriented faculty members with proven track record in respective discipline or a specialization for position of professor, associate professor, and assistant professor for following existing as well as proposed school. So the first department or first school where the recruitment is there is in School of Architecture and Planning. Discipline offered is architectural design, building construction technology, environmental studies and landscape, history of architecture, art and culture and human settlement. Next one, a School of Communication. In that, the different departments are digital photography, media research, multimedia, film studies, and public relations. Next one, a School of Education. In that, the departments are educational philosophies, educational policy framework, educational psychology, infrastructural planning, and social research method, education management, and education leadership. Next one, a School of Engineering. In that, the departments are computer science, chemistry, civil, mechanical, electronics and electrical, forensic science, mathematics, and physics. In a School of Fashion and Design, the departments are where the recruitment is there is in fashion design, foundation studies, graphic or communication design, industrial or product design, interior and space design, and jewelry design. Next one school is School of Hospitality. In that the departments are bakery, confectionery, F&B production, F&B service, front office, housekeeping, and pastry. In the School of Humanities and Sciences, the departments are clinical psychology, counseling psychology, school psychology, industrial and organizational psychology, research method, statistics, sociology, public administration, political science, economics, social work, philosophy, history, English, travel and tourism, geography, anthropology, library and information science, Spanish and Italian. Next one is in a School of Management. The departments are Accounts and Finance, Economics, International Businesses, IT, Marketing, OV and HR, Operations, Retail Management, and Supply Chain Management. Next one School of Medical and Allied Sciences, Pharmacy, Physiotherapy, Nutrition and Health, and Public Health. And last one, where the recruitment is there is in a School of Basic and Applied Sciences. The departments are Chemistry, Physics, Mathematics, Forensic Science, Biological Science, Environmental Science, Geology. Qualification and experience as per the norms of UGC and relevant statutory body like BCI, COA, PCI, and NCT. Also, there are vacancy for non-teaching position like marketing executive, telecaller, and admission counselor, head corporate resource center, and CRC coordinator, librarian, assistant registrar, assistant controller of examination and account officer, resident doctor and nurse, program officers, academic coordinator, a sports officer and hostel warden, ARP coordinator and IT supervisor executives, front desk executive, lab technician for all the above mentioned school, general administration. So in that you can also see the details. The details maybe they will have given what the experience they will required. Here it is not given. You can directly go to UGC site and see what the eligibility required for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor, and according to that you apply. Here one thing more is they have given like advertisement for JRF. You can apply from this link. Apply now. Then the site will open like this. You have to select one teaching or non-teaching position, which one you can want to apply. If you want to apply for teaching, mark on teaching, then post applied. You can select from here HOD, senior professor, professor, visiting professor, part-time professor, associate professor, assistant professor. There are different positions. Select one in which you can apply. Area you can select from here. There are different schools. Then area, then total number of students what you have, then personal details you have to fill, like date of birth. After that you have to upload one photo, then resume. You have to select gender, then address for correspondence, After that they will ask you for email id, then academic details you have to fill, like if you have done phd then fill the all the phd details, then registration date, submission date, ug pg, all the things you have to fill here. You can see ug, what percentage you have got, that thing you have to fill. And maybe they will ask you about a scholarship or honors and awards. Then teaching experience, in which colleges you have the experience, you have to fill all the details. Then industry experience, if you have, then that thing you also have to fill. What courses you have taught, you have to fill that. Then academic guidance, if you have done any guidance to phd scholar or mtech scholar, then you have to you can fill there. Then journal publication, how many journals you have to publish, in which, what are the paper titles, what are the types, who are the co-authors, in which year you have to publish, that all the things you have to fill. What are the total number of publication, how many conference you have to presented. Then book publication, have you published any book, that thing you have to fill here. Then mdp consultancy and research project, if you have completed any project of any company or research organization, then that thing you have to fill. Any other relevant information if you want to tell them, then you can write down here and submit. So for that, two things required: photo and updated resume. That thing you kept with you during submission of form. After that you fill all the qualification details, experience, paper details, and all the thing. And if you want to apply for non-teaching post, then same things you have to do here, in which position you want to apply, that thing you have to select here. Then what are the experience total you have, personal details, date of birth, same thing, photo and resume, everything you have to fill here. So that's all about today. So please share the video with your friends who want to apply in some reputed universities like JD Goenka or other University of Delhi NCR. Then share with them. And if you have not subscribed the channel till now, please subscribe, like, comment. That's all. Thank you.